journal and start writing. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. That looks pretty good. I'm heading to work right now, so exciting stuff. We need a video for Friday, so welcome to the vlog, guys. I'm Chloe. Thanks for being here. Room, room. This is dangerous, actually. I shouldn't be filming when I drive. Okay, bye. For a couple of days of fun with me. So it's the nighttime now, and I'm just about to make some dinner, but while I wait for the groceries to get here, I am watching YouTube.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute.
So if you guys didn't know, you can actually eat the stalk of the broccoli, the middle part of the stem. It looks like this. It's really good. And it's the most nutritious part of a broccoli. And it doesn't taste like much. Slight broccoli taste, but really good to snack on, or you can throw it into whatever you're making with the broccoli too. Bon appetit.
Hello.
So I just journaled. It is currently nice and early. Well, I slept in a little bit. It's actually around 9:30 a.m. right now, so it's not that early, but it's pretty early. And instead of going straight onto my phone or my computer, I decided to open up the journal and start writing. So I journaled a little bit this morning, and now I feel nice and clear and ready to start my day. Actually, scratch that last part. I need coffee, so let's go. So if you guys didn't know, you can actually buy these reusable pods for the Keurig. This is a skinny regular Keurig. And so you can buy one of these, and then I buy the filters, and I buy these filters, which 100% natural. There's no, they're biodegradable. There's no dyes or anything, so yeah, that's good. And then just take one of these, just stick it in there, and then I fill it with your coffee of choice, which is great. So you can buy regular coffee bags and then fill it with whatever coffee you like, and then you just fill it up and then you put it in the Keurig. And so you don't need to buy the pods from the Keurig or the pods every time you make coffee in the morning, because that's super wasteful. And this is slightly better. Actually, I think more than slightly. It's not perfect, but it's much better than buying the pods and throwing the pods away all the time. So you can buy these on Amazon. Just put it in, and you close it, and then I have to fill it up with water. God dang it. Close it, and then you just, you know what goes after this, so. And then while that is happening and the coffee is being coffeed, thanks. I drink a full glass of water because water in the morning is very important to get your body's digestive system started and awake. And it's really good to start your days with water. Okay, so now I'm gonna, my hair. Guys, I look so crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and clean. I'm gonna clean the kitchen while I drink my coffee, so enjoy this time lapse. Okay, so I just got done cleaning. Now I'm gonna keep drinking my coffee, and that feels really good to get that done so far. But now that it's clean, let's go get it messy again because I need to cook some breakfast.
In the desert heat, he sweats down his brow, seeking inner peace as the serpent prowls in the vast expanse of land that they call home. Hypnotized on subtle sways, the man gets stunned, the serpent plays a brutal brawl to claim the crown and the throne. Engines roar and bolts corrode, a civil war and Morse code, a holocaust inferno sets us free. See now greed and puppet schemes disturb the peace, recycle creeds of button push will liberate us all from misery.
The sunshine flares on my back's on fire. It's a war road surrounds the empire. Spirits rise and shadows casted. Secrets mold the thermoplastics. Hey, don't you ever melt away. Hey, don't you ever melt away. Hey, don't you ever melt away in the heat of the two-side slide.
I'm gonna finish getting ready completely for work, but right now I'm just gonna get ready. But I'm not wearing my work shirt. I'm just wearing my shirt I slept in, but I am wearing my jeans. So I am ready, almost. Just gotta beat my face.
Huh?
Okay, I'm in the car. I'm heading to work now, and this is my final look, my final form for the day. And yeah, I'll catch you guys up when I catch you guys up. So, all right, let's go. Okay, I made it to my destination. Did drive, no problems there. And I'm here at the school, and I'm gonna go in and go to work. So I'll see you guys in 5 to 6 hours. Toodles. I'm back from work now, and I'm heading home. Wow, lighting go cray cray. I'm heading home now. It was a very long day, like super long. I am very tired. The kids are so crazy, guys. Like today especially, but we get a 4-day weekend now because they have like holiday. So I was gonna do something really fun with the kids today. I was gonna have them make dream catchers. I'm sure you guys know what a dream catcher is. You're on my channel, so. But my plan overall is to turn them into high-functioning hippies. Joking, kinda. Introduce them to dream catchers. Because I love dream catchers, and I think everybody should have a dream catcher. So we're gonna do that, obviously like a kiddie version. But we did not have time today because, like I was saying, the kids were absolutely crazy. You know, still cute and it's still like my job, but it's just like some days are better than others. So yeah, my weekend is going to be both chill and productive. I feel like I have been very productive this week, and so that feels good. It was a long week, you know, a week full of early mornings and late nights. But I was doing a lot, and I even had time to like relax and have fun, so I count that all as very productive and a good week overall. So as the week comes to a close, I can just be happy that I made it out alive, and so did you guys because you're watching this. So but yeah, I can just say now I am tired, so I don't know what I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight. Maybe just an easy pasta dish. I am down to my last 2 brain cells. My last 2 brain cells right now are just working really hard to talk right now to this camera. So I'll see you guys and catch you guys up more when I get back home. But I thought I should share some more because I haven't really been like talking that much to the camera. So yeah, this is kind of a chill, and I kind of put this video together like really fast. I do have like really fun videos, I think. So if this is like your cup of tea, that's awesome. I like to watch these kind of videos, so I hope that you guys watching also, you know, enjoy this kind of content. But I do have more exciting videos on my channel, so if like you're sitting there thinking this is all I do, it's not. Enjoying it, please leave me a like, a comment, and subscribe to me because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. We're really close, and just a small part of my big dream is becoming reality. So I can't wait for where this leads me and where this leads us as a community together. So yeah, please just subscribe if you guys want to see where this goes. It's definitely one of my long time dreams is to make this thing happen, this little internet thing. So yeah, appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you guys when I get home and start making dinner. Okay guys, I'm home now and I put on my comfy clothes. Heck yeah. Put on my comfy clothes and I'm so hungry. I'm gonna make dinner now. I think it's gonna be pasta. Probably gonna be pasta, but do you guys know that feeling when you're so hungry that you like don't even want to eat? You're so hungry that like making food and eating the food sounds exhausting. That's me right now. And yeah, let's go pick some food. Sorry, Theo. Okay, I'm cooking. I did decide to go with I did decide to go with pasta, and I've been snacking, so I have a little bit more energy now. Yeah, and just flipping this so it gets nice and crispy. Heck yeah, I'm just cooking some tofu. Yeah, I'm a chef.
And I'm gonna do pesto pasta tonight, and it's gonna be freaking epic. And I'm just gonna like rot until this is done, probably watch a YouTube video and not speak, because I've already told you, I am exhausted. So I'm gonna go do that right now. And I look kinda good. Dang, I kinda like snatch. Like face? Okay. Alright. Sorry about that. Good room, guys. Good room. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll see you in a second. Yep, just had my homemade pesto here with broccoli. Homemade pesto. Definitely homemade. Okay, I'm sitting down to eat. This is like nearly a perfect night for me. I have my YouTube watching like a show, and I have pesto pasta with tofu and broccoli and nutritional yeast. And it looks very green, but it tastes very good, and it's good for you because it's green. So I love pesto. Are you guys jealous? I'm sorry if you're jealous. I would be too. I don't blame you. I'm gonna eat it now. Yay! Thanks for watching, guys. This is my dinner. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a like, a comment, and subscribe to me so we can reach 1,000 subscribers and more. Woo! I got so full, so I had to lie on the ground. So here's me lying on the ground. Yeah, I was silly in this video. We had fun in this video, and I showed you some of my recipes and some of the things I ate. So maybe I inspired you. And if I did inspire you, leave me a comment down below telling me what you ate for dinner or breakfast. I hope you guys liked the week in my life, a couple days that I filmed for you, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday with another exciting video. Super exciting, but yeah, let me know if you like this kind of vlog anyway, and I'll do it again. All right, see ya. Sub like home.